Hello everybody, I'm Shyler and I'm going to be helping you learn web development and learn how it goes and what you need for it. So to get started, I'm going to show you a few tools that you're going to need. The first one that I'm going to show in this video is going to be Atom. As you can see, I have it installed already, but I'll go ahead and show you how to get it. So if you go into your browser and you go to atom.io, and that's spelled like an atom, so ATOM, .io, you'll find this browser. It's created by GitHub, which is a very popular company in the development space. So the really cool thing about Atom is that it actually uses the code that you're going to be learning as a way to build the editor itself. So as you grow and understand the code, you might be able to tweak Atom to do stuff that you want or create packages. There's a whole bunch of packages that make Atom do all sorts of things, and over time we'll learn more and more of those. But to get started, if you're on Windows, you can do the Windows installer here, which is pretty easy. If you're on another platform, you can click other platforms underneath it. I already clicked it. If you scroll down to the very bottom of all these notes, so these are all different updates they did, you can actually find the downloads. There's a whole bunch of different downloads you can get. There's a Mac zip. There's some other ones for Linux, stuff like that. You can get the source code. It's all open source, so that's the cool thing about Atom. But like I said, I already have it installed. So after you go through the install process, which is just installing it just like anything else, it'll show up on your desktop. And you can open it up, and this is kind of what it looks like when it's ready to get started. There is going to be two boxes down the side, or two boxes. One will have just some generic stuff and the other one will have some other stuff. You can just close those out. As you can see, once you close them out, you'll get an editor like this. Now I've already gone ahead and created a simple little website. It's really simple, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to load it in. So if we go to my desktop, we look, I have this folder called simple, and inside it I have index.html, and that's pretty much all I need. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into Atom. I'm going to go to File, Add Project Folder. I'm going to navigate to that folder. As you can see, I've already kind of navigated to it, so it's on my desktop, simple, and I'm going to hit Select Folder, and you're going to see that it loads it into this sidebar, and I can actually see the files that are in there. There's only one file right now. If I click on that, you can see that there's already some HTML in here, and this is just a really basic, simple HTML page. We won't go over this right now. I just want to help you get started with Atom, and so this is Atom, and this is what you can do with it right now. And yeah, so we'll move on to the next video where I show you how to use WAMP server and install that. And you don't really need it right now, but we'll go ahead and install it anyways, so that way you get more of the feel of actually working on a web server.